What's up?
What's going on, guys? So today, as Mel, you guys can see here, Mel's holding a diff brace. So we actually haven't. Oh,
simplified diff brace.
I mean, it looks pretty good. It's pretty stout. It's probably about like a 1/4 inch thick. Here, look. Show it off, Mel.
Ooh.
Look at that thing. It's pretty thick. Quit rubbing your hand. What are you doing? Let's just see it, dude. Jeez, this girl here.
Yeah.
So where did we get that from, Mel?
So a Facebook friend, Steven Maxwell, he's on Facebook. He's a retired sheet metal worker and feels like engineers just over-design everything. And he drives a Z. And, apparently Zs need a diff brace. I have not had one this entire time because they only have one mounting point in the rear. So these are kind of important. So today we're going to put this in because and also he sent us this for free, which is really, really, really cool.
Did he tell you how much he actually charges for them?
Well, in total shipped, I think was $75.
Okay, yeah, and then here, yeah. So it comes with these bolts. Those are going to be for your diff. This is going to be for the subframe. And he gives you some instructions here. So it's pretty nice. I mean, it should be pretty simple. Should be pretty simple. We got our tools. That should be all of our tools that we need. Yeah.
So thanks, Steven. It's
Yeah.
really cool. Also check him out. He's an older man that drifts, which is really, really cool too.
Yeah. I think it's the first. It's a first for me.
It's a first for me too. I don't get free stuff.
Yeah, I was gonna say. So I was just blown away because the guy watched our YouTube, and like Mel said, we haven't had a diff brace. I mean, a lot of people are very familiar with it. You should use one, but we had a million other things to prioritize before diff brace.
Yeah.
Free stuff, like free what? Like what? What did I do to deserve this? What did Mel do to deserve this? Don't know. I don't know. I think it's blown away. Let's just jump right into getting this thing installed. It shouldn't take long. We have to do a little bit of grinding, and we're gonna take our time because we're just lazy.
Speak for yourself, bro.
I'm just lazy. Yeah. So let's just jump right into the car, see what we got to do. Alright, crawl up under here. So I'll show you guys. So, can you hear that diff brace now? We're gonna have a little bit of an issue just because this was priorly done. So that's that one bolt. This bolt to the top of the brace is gonna be in there, just on the other side. And then these two go like that. Yeah, right there like that, ish. This is the little tab that we have to grind down. So we got a little grinder, we'll grind this down. And yeah, that should be pretty easy to install there, Mom.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'm grinding.
You're grinding?
I'm gonna grind.
Oh, I don't know about that. It's sketchy. Alright.
Sketchy makes the dream work,
Okay, whatever you say, boss. Alright, so just so you guys know, these bolts right here, this is a 14 mil. That's your factory diff bolt. And then these are, if you can see, they're grade 8. These are the ones that come in the kit. They are 17 mil on the head. And then the one that's up in the diff, I already put it up in there. That guy right there, that's a 19 mil on both the nut and the bolt. So Mel decided to put a little hint of perp on this. Whatever, we just sprayed it. I suggest getting anything like this powder coated. Same with like the bash bars and stuff, which we'll do in time, but
in time. Not priority.
Definitely not priority. So
They work. They're there.
yeah, we're gonna see if we can pop this little guy on in there. Shouldn't be too bad. So bring you guys under there for that. How did I get purple on my arm? What? Alright. I got paint on me. I don't even know how that happened. So, oh, another bolt here. So you can read the instructions and they're going to tell you to do the exact same thing. Alright, like I said, I already installed this top bolt. I already put it in the subframe with the little washer, that little standoff piece.
Your face isn't really in it.
Oh, I'm not in it?
Not really.
Oh. Well, help me out, Mel.
Hold up. Yep.
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so we're back. And like I was saying, I'm just gonna hang it. I already put the bolt in with the little spacer into the subframe. So hang your top bolt, put this on there, and then I'm gonna start to install these two, and we'll just show you how that works. It literally just pops on there like that. You dangle it. I forgot what the instructions say. I think they say to put the top one in first. I don't know. Not really sure. Let's see. Oh, hey, look at that. We got a line on up there. Let me get that top one in. Something like that. Once again, don't tighten any of these up yet, guys. Just get them all in place first, and then worry about tightening them. Just like that. And you want to do that, you want to get your threads hand tight, because you just don't want to really mess anything up. And then once they're all in like so, you can go back like so and tighten them up.
You do a really good job working that wrench through, Drew.
Yeah. So guys, don't forget your nut. I didn't install the nut on the top one. I just kind of put the bolt through, and that'll be okay. There's one thing that I kind of wish the kit would have had, was an extra lock washer or spacer on this side. Other than that, not bad. Not bad. I might actually have one. Pause that thought. Hold on one second. Bam. So I'm just gonna add this in on the nut just to lock the top bolt in. And it's just a little lanyard, a little extra. Can you hand me? Yes. And the crescent wrench. Yep. Yes, ma'am. That's them. Them two little toolies right there. This is done. Relatively easy. I'm going to suggest you don't do this. Don't do that. That makes your life just silly. But as you guys can see, man, fits right up on there. Flush. Looks to be in there. I didn't actually use my lock washer up there just because it's not enough thread, so I just put some thread locker on it. I know I didn't show it, but use some thread locker on that and put that in. It goes in like this, head of the bolt in from the subframe to this way with a little spacer in between the subframe. And then other than that, that should stop any of the diff flash. Oh, but I think that'll wrap it up for this video. Once again, guys, this is just a testament to how wonderful drifting and the community is involved with drifting. You know, the guy saw that we didn't have something that could potentially lead to a major problem and wanted to help us out. So go check him out on Facebook. I'll leave any kind of links or anything to Steven anything I can. Like I said, he's not a company. He just kind of does this on the side as like a fun thing for him. But definitely hit him up. It'll save you 50, 60 bucks. And it's a good product. It doesn't seem any less sturdy. Like I said, it's made of good grade steel. Comes with grade 8 bolts. Everything you need for it. He puts little instructions in there for you. Yeah, I think that's it, huh, Mo?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
it's easy. It took us maybe 5 minutes to install it. We did kind of diddle-daddle around and paint. Yeah, I think that's all I'm gonna do. I might like fix Mel's underglow today, but no need. That's silly stuff. So yeah, guys, Stephen Maxwell on Facebook is where he got us. He saw messages on Facebook, saw our YouTube, so hit him up if you got a Z. You want to sturdy up that brace. I don't know what we're doing next week. We have some things coming up that I don't want to say yet that you guys will probably enjoy coming along with us with. So hopefully that happens in the next week or so. Maybe not. If not, I think what we'll be doing is just tidying up the Z and getting ready for EYB.
I can't wait.
So guys, if you got anything good out of it, leave me a like. If you thought I could have done something a little different, or you would have liked to see something different, give us a thumbs down, leave us a comment, let us know. Don't just leave us hanging with a thumbs down. Hit that.
Don't be a jerk, all right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bells for anything new.
Peace.
Peace.